Hey guys, it's me Rene Vergas from BSN1-JADE, and today I'm gonna show you how I made my own genitourinary model. So here it is. So at this juncture, you can see me drawing the outline in order for me to have a guide on how I would paste all my other parts of the genitourinary system. So as you can see, I am currently pasting the renal arteries or the red yarn. Next is the blue yarn or the renal veins. I am currently pasting it, positioning it as what the illustration states. Then I am now pasting the white yarn or the ureters. And at this point, I am cutting out my kidneys and pasting them at the illustration board. So it is done now. As you can see, now I am doing the what you call urinary bladders. You can see that is the urinary bladder and the urethra. Then I am making the vagina itself. That is a kind of a complicated drawing right there. Cutting that out also is as complicated as it seems, just like the picture. Now I am kind of tripping and doing the kind of dalgona thing that the Squid Game used just to see if it is working or not. But as you can see, this kind of technique doesn't work, so I used my scissors and pasted the vagina at the illustration board. So the kidney's purpose is to clean our blood and dispose waste products in the form of urine. These are the ureters, the color white. This is the canal that connects the kidneys into the urinary bladder, which is this. The contents that pass through the ureters are the waste products or the urine itself. And we have here the renal veins. Veins meaning valid to the heart. So these veins carries the oxygenated blood that goes from the kidney then back to the heart. And these are the renal arteries that carry oxygen-rich blood to our kidneys. So kani siya. And this is the urinary bladder, the yellow part here, which stores all of the urine and expels the urine when the bladder is full in the form through the urethra. So yeah. So the female genitals, this is the ovary in which the eggs are developed for pregnancy, and the developed egg passes through the fallopian tubes, and from the fallopian tubes to the cervix, and then the egg is attached to the endometrium. And after that, when there is no signs of pregnancy or there is no sperm that is attracted to the egg, which means the menstruation happens, or the endometrium lining of your uterus sheds for 3 to 7 days, causing bleeding or menstruation. So that is the 4 phases of the menstrual cycle, which is the follicular phase, where the ovary develops eggs that is used for pregnancy. And then the second phase is the ovulation stage, where the endometrium thickens so that it can support pregnancy. The third phase is luteal phase, where the egg travels to the fallopian tube and attaches to the endometrium of the uterus. And the fourth is menstrual, meaning if there is no signs of pregnancy, then the endometrium sheds, causing blood to travel to the urethra and to the vulva, so that menstruation happens. That would be all. I love you.